Hello friends, hope all of you doing good and welcome to the world of rich PHP. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to install and launch XAMPP on Ubuntu. First, install the XAMPP server on Ubuntu. On Google, search XAMPP. You will see a download link. Click on that link and select the Linux PHP version that you want to download, that is .run file. As you see, I have already downloaded the file, so let's begin to installation. In the terminal, locate where is downloaded file and permit that file to execute that file in Ubuntu with the command sudo chmod 775 file name, press enter. After given permission, execute that file using the command sudo /file name. Wait for to start XAMPP execution. It will take some time to execute. Wait till it complete its processing. Remember that XAMPP stores its file in opt lam. In the description there is a blog link. If you want the command to copy paste, please do check. Here is the simple interface for XAMPP. Start the Apache and MySQL server from the XAMPP control panel. Check on a browser by typing localhost, and for phpMyAdmin type localhost /phpMyAdmin. Now the important thing is that provide the needed permission to the htdocs folder for the user. Now that go to opt lam folder to permit the htdocs folder. We need to write a command sudo chown -r username folder name. Here we permit the user wiki to read, write and delete files. Now open the editor. I am using Sublime editor. If you want to install this editor, please click on the I button link. Edit any file or current index file to check given permission working or not. In the current index file, check PHP all info and version by typing the PHP info function. Run localhost URL on a browser and check if it is working or not. Now we are going to learn about how to launch the XAMPP server in Ubuntu using 4 different ways. Let's check whether any local server is running on the system or not by just typing in a browser localhost. As you see, no server is active right now. Now open the terminal. In the terminal, first go to the root folder by typing cd /. Then type the command to start the XAMPP server sudo opt /lam start. This will start a local server from the terminal. Now check on the browser server is working or not. Sorry, I forgot to add the / after phpMyAdmin. Type localhost. It will display htdocs index.php file. Because I changed the index.php file to ok.php, that is why it shows all folders and files from the htdocs folder. Now to stop the local server, type command sudo opt /lam stop. It will stop the server. Check on a browser by reloading the current URL whether the server stopped working or not. Type in a browser localhost. Now another method is also needed terminal to start server type. It is similar, just last lam type XAMPP sudo opt lam XAMPP and start. it is the same command, but instead of last line we use the XAMPP keyword. And to stop the server, use the same command, sudo opt/lamp/XAMPP stop. It will stop the server. In the third method, using the terminal, we need to open the XAMPP control panel, go to folder opt/lamp to check where is .run file, copy the file name with extension, and in terminal type command to open the XAMPP control panel, sudo /manage-linux-x64.run, press enter. It will open the control panel. Click on the manage server tab and start the server from the control panel. Now for the last method, we will create a desktop shortcut for the XAMPP control panel. For that, go to the folder cd usr share applications and press enter. After this, in the application folder, create the XAMPP.desktop file and copy paste the code which is in the description of this video. Check the blog for more information, link in the description. Save and close the file. After copy pasted the code and checking in the main menu, XAMPP icon is displayed. In that section, click on the icon and type your password. It will open the XAMPP control panel. That's it guys. Thank you. See you next time. Keep supporting.